I'm praying for everyone in the path of Hurricane Helene, those in Florida, Georgia, the Carolinas, and anywhere else that this hurricane decides to go. I'm praying for peace and safety. I'm praying for protection over the bodies of those who will be touched or those who will be in the midst of this storm. I'm praying that the Most High God will protect you and your loved ones. I am praying that there will be no casualties. I am praying for the Most High's love and his all-encompassing safety. I'm praying for all of us. Amen.